How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. Hello guys and welcome back to another brand new video. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix the verification code problem on WhatsApp. So first thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps right here, and here on this page you will find all the apps. Just wait a few seconds and then you will have to scroll down like this until you find WhatsApp. After that, click here on force stop and then go to the storage down here as you can see. So all what you have to do now is click on clear data and clear cache, and after that go back to the settings on your phone and go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. And that's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.